Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need to know one key limitation. Apple Watch cannot be paired directly with an iPad. Once you accept that, start by updating your iPhone, Apple Watch, and iPad to the latest software. This avoids compatibility problems. Make sure all devices use the same Apple ID and enable iCloud, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. Next, pair your Apple Watch to an iPhone now. This is required. Do this immediately so your watch can sync backups and health data that the iPad can later access through iCloud. Once your watch is paired to an iPhone, you can make the iPad useful. Use the iPhone to enable iCloud syncing for health, fitness, and relevant app data so the iPad can read that information. Make sure handoff, Bluetooth, and continuity are enabled on both iPhone and iPad. This allows activities to move between devices. Install and sign into the same apps on the iPad that you use on the watch-paired iPhone. That way, app data and notifications propagate through iCloud and continuity. Even though to complete setup, open health, fitness, and other synced apps on your iPad while signed into the same Apple ID. Your watch data will appear via iCloud. If the person who uses the watch has no iPhone, consider family setup. It still requires someone's iPhone to configure the watch. If something goes wrong, first confirm all devices are updated, signed into the same Apple ID, and have iCloud backup and Bluetooth enabled. Repairing via the iPhone usually resolves sync or visibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.